name is Tembisa Mdlalo from Women Up. Starting from a shoestring budget as a woman, it's quite challenging. And you realize that you're not the only woman in South Africa, you're probably one in a million in Africa. And that kind of like commissioned me, for me to look at what are these challenges and how many women face the same challenges. And that was the birth of Women Up Holdings, which is a women empowerment company that started as business forums, where I wanted to create a platform for women to come and connect with like-minded women, to do trade exchanges, to collaborate, and also to sit and just have an open discussion about what some of the things that we really face in when we start the business, and what are the solutions professional women have for us. And also, if there's young women that are starting, aspiring, how do they get to meet with women that have already walked the journey? So Women Up is based on my own entrepreneurial journey. And we've started in May 2014, and we actually celebrated our first year anniversary this year, and the success of Women Up has commissioned us to register it as an investment company that is women-owned, that will then look at where is our spend as women, which is the cosmetics, the skin. Once we've collected enough funds or built this pool of the investment company, we're gonna go and look into the JSE listed companies where our spend is high, so that we can profit, and the biggest thing is so that we can influence how these products and services are delivered or targeted at women, and that is the first part. We also felt that because we have been successful in one of our members getting a distribution deal to Waltons, how do we then bring other women that will also come in and enjoy the benefits? So we are launching our membership, which is going to be launched in I think in 2 months if we stick to the project, where women will pay an annual fee, and then they will then come to these bi-monthly forums that we host every second month, that are led by a panel of ordinary women but yet influential, and still women that are in the corporate world, that are powerful, that are decision makers, where you have an opportunity to sit with other women and talk and find out. And also what we have done, we have created an opportunity that once we have spoken, can we meet and deal? And hence we call it a Women Up Meet and Deal in Daba, where women, literally complementary businesses, are put together, and you either meet or deal or trade exchange with a woman that you have similar. If, for instance, I'm a virtual PA and I want somebody to design my website, I'll offer virtual PA services to that person, and in return, she will design my website without me paying money. And that is how we're doing it. So we're gonna be hosting our second one